Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Blender application on your Windows PC. So if you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, the process is the same. So to download it first, you just need to go to your Chrome browser or any other browser that you have. Just go to the Google and search for Blender download. After searching for the Blender download, you'll find this website which is www.blender.org, which is the official website of Blender. So you just need to click on this website and this will take you to this download Blender page. So you just need to click on this download Blender, and after that it will automatically start to download on your PC, as you can see. So I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again. I'm just going to show you how to install this. So after downloading this, you just need to go to the folder, and here's the exe file that I'm going to install. Double click it. After double clicking it, you will see the widget here. I'm just going to minimize everything and just click next. Then this will show you where you want to install your Blender. For this video, I'm just going to install in the C program file, which is the default option. You can also choose this. Just click next. Then click install. Then it will start to install on your PC. So you just have to wait for it to install on your PC. And after successfully install it, just click on finish here. Also, you can see the shortcut is in the desktop. So I'm just going to uncheck this, learn how to support Blender, and click finish. And Blender is now successfully installed. So to check it if this is successfully installed or not, I'm just going to open it, double click this software. And for the first time, maybe it will take in time on your PC according to your depend on your PC power. But as you can see in my PC, it's successfully installed. Now you can get to work with your Blender project, whatever the project that you want to use. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.